কাউকে কাউকে আপনাদের ফিট করা হয় এইভাবে কোয়েশ্চেন করবার জন্য। আপনাদের কিছু করার থাকলে আমায় জিজ্ঞেস করুন, অন্য কাউকে নয়। শুনুন, আমাদের দল শক্তিশালী দল। আমরা যারা ইলেকশনের সময় দলের সাথে খুব গদ্দারি করেছে, মুকুল কিন্তু ইলেকশনের সময় একটি কথাও বলেনি দলের বিরুদ্ধে।
দিদি, আই হ্যাভ
মুকুল আমাদের দলে এসছে, মনে রাখবেন, মুকুল কিন্তু ইলেকশনের সময় আমাদের দল বিরোধী একটি কথাও বলেনি। যারা ইলেকশনের সময় গদ্দারি করে বিজেপির হাত শক্তিশালী করতে গেছে এবং গদ্দারি করেছে, তাদের আমরা নেব না, এটা আমাদের দলের সিদ্ধান্ত। মনে রাখবেন, চরমপন্থী এবং নরমপন্থী আছে। কিছু লোক আছে যারা হয়তো মুকুলের সাথে অনেকে গেছে, মুকুল চলে আসলে তারা নিশ্চয়ই চলে আসতে চাইবে, সেটার ব্যাপারে দল সিদ্ধান্ত নেবে। কিন্তু যারা গদ্দারি করে চরমপন্থী, অনেক বেশি দলকে নিম্ন রুচির পরিচয় দিয়েছেন, তাদের আমরা নেব না।
দিদি, apart from this,
I am not asking you. Now everybody is facing that it is nothing new. So from 7 years it is going on. Let them to settle the case immediately. Why 7 years, 8 years? And it is not that Sarada Narada, Trinamool Congress is not at all responsible for this. It is the BJP party. Ask them, where is the 35 to 5,000 crores for the vaccination rupees? Where is the PM Cares Fund? Where is the Vista funds are coming? You ask them. Don't ask us this question.
Didi, apart from this, today Supreme Court has said that the West Bengal government should implement one nation, one ration card, as it is for the migrant, and one or two excuses is not going to work. What's your reaction on this?
When Supreme Court gave this verdict? When?
Today it has come.
Huh?
Today itself.
I do not know. Let me see the verdict. Then I'll say.
My question is to Mukul Roy. Are you scared of CBI, that CBI going to take action against you? And my question is to Madam Chief Minister, that what is the ideology? Like the question that
don't ask me about the ideology. And I told you that BJP will feed you. Some people feed you. The question, we are not. Mukul Roy joined. It is final. And from our side, we welcome. That is final. We are not here to satisfy you. I cannot satisfy the BJP media. Ask BJP why they are breaking the party in everywhere. We are not breaking the party. Now there is no situation that we are not majority. It is not that situation like BJP. What BJP do, we don't do it. Whatever we do, it is transparent policy. That it is not that we have the scarcity for membership and all this. That is not. It is his wish. It is his wish, his personal wish. He cannot stay with BJP. BJP is a party. It is not a party for the common people. It is a party for jamindars. It is a common party. It is a party for feudal landlord. And it is a party for only agency. So agency is, it is just mouthpiece of BJP. You people all know. But instead of that, you are asking same question every day. Don't do it.
Madam. Madam, my Live 7 say,
he will play the important role. Whatever he played earlier the role, he will play the same role, no problem. Trinamool Congress is a collective family.
मैडम, मैं Live 7 से आखिर आप मुख्यमंत्री है और मुकुल रॉय को आप कौन से पद की जिम्मेदारी देंगी?
That will decide.
और राजीव बनर्जी और सोनाली गुहा ने भी आने की
I am not telling about any other. I think the press. I think.
Ma'am, this side.
Tomar, last question, yes.
Ma'am, I have one question for you, one question for Mukulda. Ma'am, Abhishek Banerjee has made it very clear that Trinamool Congress wants to go national. What kind of role you expect Mukul Roy to play in the national political landscape? Your party has also just now tweeted that Mukul Roy joining is an indication that BJP will fall like house of cards. What do you mean by that?
Actually, he was the vice president of BJP All India Party also. So when he left the party, then it is very clear that he was not willing to continue because the political message is not there. So he is not satisfied to work with them. So he feels that his old party is good and always old is always gold, you know.
What do you mean by BJP would fall like house of cards? More people can come. Are they
Yes, more people will come.
more member of parliament, ma'am? Member of parliament?
I do not know. Whenever the information will be coming, then we will let you know. From now, I cannot say anything, but I said that who have criticized the party like anything and who have done the betray before election for BJP, for money, for everything, we are not considering them. Only we will consider the people who are gentle, who are sober, and who doesn't bitterness, who doesn't go for bitterness.
मुकुलदा, I have this question for you. मुकुलदा, आप जब तृणमूल कांग्रेस छोड़ के गए थे, आपके साथ बहुत सारे नेता गए, आप घर वापसी किए, बाकी और आपके साथ कितने लोग आने वाले हैं? आलोचना चल रही है कि एटलीस्ट 4-5 लोग आपके साथ आने वाले थे, आज आए नहीं, कब आएंगे?
Let us see, we will see how many people are coming.
Mukulda, how do you see Shubhendu Adhikari's
Let us-
language?
let
The
us
press
see.
conference is over now.